How servicing your AC can save you money. Are you tired of high energy bills in the summer? Required AC maintenance could be your issue. Your air conditioner needs to have a tune-up on a yearly basis. It's after the year mark that you tend to see a noticeable increase in your cooling costs. Why is this the case? All that hard work your AC does over the year wears parts down and uses up lubrication. When it lies dormant over the winter, dust and other dirt build up inside, which can interfere with proper airflow. The AC begins drawing upon more energy in an attempt to maintain your ideal temperature. If you need an HVAC contractor to give your system a tune-up, as it requires technical know-how to do so, call Clark Heating, Air Conditioning and Plumbing at 334-449-7936 to schedule an AC tune-up in Montgomery and the River region.